Marvel 25 APC, 25-inch capacity, 45-degree miter, full programmable. 10 horsepower hydraulic drive, 1.5-inch blade. Just put a new blade in it. Done rebuilding it, new hydraulics. Rebuilt all the guide arms, wiring hoses. Here's our program today. 12-inch links, quantity of 5. Did it feed yet? It's creeping into the end now. There it is. The feed on this unit goes all the way back, grabs the part, and then just keeps feeding it until it's done. The head is canted. I believe it's 3 or 7 degrees forward. Comes in handy, especially when cutting large square tubes. Now we're going to feed back here. Rapid and then slow to position. Also has bundling clamps. Those are the orange towers up there. When feeding, these rollers will come up so that the material doesn't scratch across the table. Okay, Marvel 25 APC rebuilt bandsaw. Thanks for viewing.